Today I am going to show how to simulate the torque. Yeah, this is the bike rim. So now I'll check the torque for this bike rim. Okay, let's start. Now if your simulation toolbar is not available on this, so just now just we will go to this setting, just we will click this add-ins and we will select this solidworks simulation, click both side, suppose this disable, so just click this side and this side. Now just click OK. After this we will enable this simulation. If you don't have this simulation toolbar, just you will right click and go to this tab and just choose this simulation and we will click this simulation, just select this. Now say it is disabled. Again just right click and go to this tab and go to this, just see simulation, just click this simulation. Now see the simulation toolbar is available on this. So now just click on this simulation and just go to this new study, click on drop down menu and just click this new study. Okay, now there are many options, just choose this statics. Okay, and just you can change this name, just I choose this torque, just I write this torque analysis, LYSIS. Okay, I'll choose this torque analysis and just select OK. Now see, now this name is, this is our main part, just click on this part and right click and just go to this apply and edit materials, just click on this and there are many material which you needed the analysis, just we will choose this. So now I will choose this alloy steel. Now this is a specification, just this unit, there are many unit options, just I will choose this Newton meter per second square. Newton meter square means pressure, Pascal. And there are property, this material property and value and unit. Okay, this is by default. Now just click apply and click this close. Okay, now see, now this connection, actually if you are have two or more the parts, at that time you have to connect this. So actually we will simulate only one part, so we don't need this, just we will go to this fix and right click. I will choose this fix geometry. There are many options, fixture advisor, roller, slider, fixture, hinge, elastic support, bearing, there are many options. So now I will choose this fixed geometry. Okay, which will be fixed geometry, these our fixed geometry. So now say in this is our fixed geometry, so I will click this in this inner side and just click OK. Now go to this external load, just click and right click, just go to, we will apply the torque on this, just choose this torque and select this face. This is the face for torque, this is the face for torque Okay, and this is the axis of axis, cylinder face or direction. Which direction will work? This direction, it will work on this direction. Okay, now choose any IPSG metric or SI unit. Just we will choose SI, and I will choose this one, Newton meter load. Okay, now just click OK. Now go to this mesh and right click. Go to this mesh and run. Just click mesh and run. It's meshing, mesh process. Okay, now torque analysis is running. Now it is solving. See, okay, now see, this is our rim condition. Now you can check this. Just see this stress, displacement and strain. Just right click on this stress and you can animate this. Just click this animate. Now see about animate of this torque. Now you will speed up or down. Now see, when we will apply 1 Newton load on this torque, at that time you will show this condition. Okay, there are many this showing this by color. This is the yield strength, and this is the dangerous zone, and this is the safe zone. Okay, now when load is showing on this, at that time some dangerous point is showing. Okay, just click OK. Again just click this displacement. Just right click and show this displacement. Now see, this is the displacement, and you can see about displacement. Just right click on this and just click animate. Now see about displacement. See, this is the displacement of this rim. When we will apply this torque on this, okay, and just click OK. Again strain, about strain and click and this show. Yeah, what will happen on this rim? Now see, okay, now again just right click and just click this animate. Click on this animate. Now see what will happen on this rim when we will apply the torque on this rim. Okay, okay, thank you for watching.